Hello everyone, it's a great pleasure to me that today I have been here with this video or in this video with a very fresh topic, that is nature and basics of research projects or project writing. I hope you students will understand the significance, the value of such a topic. For preparing this video, I myself first did some research. I gave myself a project with a limited time that I should prepare this video within a week. That's why this video is my own project. So let's see how far I succeed in preparing this video, or I succeeded in making this video. If it is useful to you, if you understand it, if you get the concept of project writing with the help of this video, so I would consider it as mission accomplished for myself. So dear students, science faculty has always project writing topic in their syllabi for long back. But as far as arts faculty is concerned, arts students are unaware of this topic, and the paradoxical situation is that all the students from their school year, they write projects, they prepare projects, but when I asked them the basics or the nature of project writing, so very few could answer me satisfactorily. That's why I thought the need of preparing this video so that it should be helpful to all, especially with regard to clearing the basics and nature of research project writing. Let's see how far I get my goal, or I get to my goal. And you see, this video I have prepared in 3 parts. The first part, in which I will just deal with the basics, for example, the meaning, the etymology, the concept, the difference of project writing as compared to other things or in comparison with other writing materials. So, and the second part will include or will deal with the research plan, means how a research should be planned, how its planning must be done. And the third segment will have some extra information, in which the third part will help you to understand the types of research projects, the types of projects, and how many fields are there in the world that make use of project writing. And our project writing, means academic project writing, is according to its value is what? Okay, so now we proceed further. First, let's see the definition of project. Project is a goal-oriented activity in which you do something under the time limit, you do something with a proper planning, scientific planning, and then you do stepwise all the things and get to your goal. So see the definition of project. A project is any undertaking carried out individually or collaboratively and possibly involving research or design that is carefully planned, usually by a project team, but sometimes by a project manager or by a project planner to achieve a particular aim. See, this definition is having 3 very important parts. First of all, a project is any undertaking. It is an undertaking. It is a responsibility. Then carried out individually or collaboratively. So it is the matter of situation choice, means you prepare it collaboratively or individually. It is up to you. And then possibly involving research for design. Means research or design that is carefully planned. So second thing is planning. A research is done with the proper planning. Usually by a project, and that planning is done by project team or project manager or project planner. So second important thing. First, it is an undertaking. Second, it is a planning, and the third, you do first two things for achieving a particular goal. Okay, so then let's see the next. So you see, in the definition we come to know these three important things of project writing. First, it is an undertaking which can be carried out individually or collaboratively, and then second thing, it is carefully planned, and third thing, for achieving a particular aim, goal. Then origin or etymology of the term project. Means from which language the word project has been derived, and what is its meaning, basic meaning, and the other things. For example, the term project comes from projectum, which from the Latin verb proicere, which means before an action. So you see, project is actually a Latin word, means it is very old word in language, and its basic meaning is before an action, which in turn comes from proicere. Proicere is actually combination of or compound of two words, pro and icere. So pro means precedence which comes before something else in time. So that is called pro, and then icere means to do, means doing something before in time, before something else in time. Doing something before something else in time means the word project thus originally meant before an action. So you see, before taking any big action, before doing anything big, it's a very good thing that you do some project. You prepare some project. Definitely the chances of success will be higher if you do your action on the basis of some projects. Okay. Then output of a project. Means what is the result of a project? Means why or what do we get after doing the project? So projects are done normally for a unique product, service or result. See, this is the main aim of doing project. Means whatever you are getting, what output you are getting, either any product, either any service, or either any product or service or result, that must be unique, that must be one of its own kind, that must be new one, that must be very means useful one, unique one, and one of its own kind. So this is the output of project. Means after doing project, if you don't get anything unique, it means your project is not means a proper one. Then difference between research and project. This is very important thing to know. If you don't know what is the difference between doing research and doing project, so how are you doing? That's why here you should understand very clear difference between both of them. So for example, you see, what is research? What do you call? What do you or what will you call a project, or what will you call a research? So you see, research means a diligent inquiry or examination. See, it is an inquiry or examination, or to seek or revise facts, principles, theories, applications, etc. See, first it is diligent. Diligent means a very hard-working inquiry or examination, to seek or revise facts, principles, theories, applications, etc. So this type of activity, this type of action will be called research. Or second meaning of research, simpler one, laborious or continued search after truth. Means if you are laboriously or continuously searching after truth, means you want to know the reality, if you want to know the truth of something, it means you are doing research. But the project, has something different in its definition or in its difference with research. A planned endeavor usually with a specific goal and accomplished in several steps or stages. See three things. First, it is a specific, a planned endeavor. It is effort, endeavor. You try by yourself doing research, and usually with a specific goal and accomplished in several steps or stages. So we should know, means here goal is very important in project, which is not there in research. Means in research we don't know any goal, we are unaware of the end result, we are unaware of the end output, what will come out of your research you don't know. But in project you know very well, means what are you seeking, what are you after. That's why means this is very much different things. These both the things are very much different, research writing and project writing. Okay, so in the next part, I will try to explain to you project plan or project management and how both of them or how it is done in proper steps. So thank you very much for watching this first part, and I hope you would in the same way watch the next part also.